Hey, good afternoon. This is Tim Border, J.H. Barkau and Sons in Cedarville. And this is our 2002 Chrysler Sebring LX convertible. Nice car. It's not perfect. It's not a perfect car, but it's a very nice car. 90 some thousand-ish miles. The tires are good. The convertible top probably needs to be replaced. It has a little wear. But the car is super clean inside. Has a 2.7 liter 6-cylinder automatic transmission, cruise control, power windows, locks, power seat. Fun car, fun summertime car. It's available today here at the Cedarville store, 200 North Stevenson Street in Cedarville. It's only $2,752. It is a one owner. It is also missing the center cap off this wheel. I think we actually have one ordered, but it hasn't gotten here yet. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at 815-718-9288. 815-718-9288. Again, this is Tim at J.H. Barkau & Sons in Cedarville with the 2002 Chrysler Sebring LX convertible. Hope you're having a great day. See ya.